Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today's video is gonna be about makeup और मैंने ये पिंक ग्लैम मेकअप लुक रेडी किया है. If you want to learn the step by step process for this look, then keep watching the video. तो सबसे पहले जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है पॉन्ड सुपर लाइट जेल मॉइस्चराइज़र. It's very good for your skin as it is very light to apply. It is oil free and it's very non-sticky and it gives a perfect base to your makeup. Next, I'm using this Inside Primer. It's a 3-in-1 product. It primes your skin, it protects your skin and it moisturizes your skin. So the thing is, if you are applying this primer, you can skip the moisturizing part. But my skin gets very dry sometimes. That's why I have applied a moisturizer before applying it. Acne Insta Liner. I use this liner a lot because it gets dry very easily and it's very easy to apply at the same time. So yes, and I'm using it since so long. I love this eyeliner. look. If you have liked the video, then please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and share my video. So we'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye, take care and keep supporting.